வெல்கம் டு ஹைடெக் சேனல்.
இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம் சயின்ஸில் 3rd யூனிட் மேட்டர் அரவுண்ட் அஸ் அந்த லெசனில் புக் பேக் ஆன்சர்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரோம் லெட்டர், சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஷின், dash is not made of matter. The answer is light ray. Second question, 200 milliliter of water is poured into a bowl of 400 milliliter capacity. The volume of water will be dash. The answer is 200 milliliter. Third question, seeds from watermelon can be removed by dash. The answer is hand picking. Fourth question, lighter impurities like dust when mixed with rice or pulses can be removed by dash. The answer is winnowing. Fifth question, dash is a essential of perform winnowing activity. The answer is air. Sixth question, filtration method is effective in separating dash mixture. Answer is solid liquid. Seventh question, among the following dash is not a mixture. The answer is water. Second room letter, fill in the blanks. First question, matter is made up of dash. The answer is extremely small particles. Second question, in solids the space between the particles is less than in dash. The answer is liquid and gas. Third question, grains can be separated from their stalks by dash. The answer is threshing. Fourth question, chilies are removed from upma by dash method. The answer is hand picking. Fifth question, the method employed to separate clay particles from water is dash. The answer is filtering. Sixth question, water obtained from tube wells is usually dash water. The answer is pure. Seventh question, which among the following dash will get attracted to by magnet, safety pins, pencil and rubber band? The answer is safety pins. Third Roman letter, state true or false. If false, correct the statement. First question, air is not compressible. The answer is false. Correct statement, air is compressible. Second question, liquids have no fixed volume but have fixed shape. The answer is false. Correct statement, liquids have fixed volume but have no fixed shape. Third question, particles in solids are free to move. The answer is false. Correct statement, particles in solids are not free to move. Fourth question, when pulses are washed with water before cooking, water is separated from them by filtration. The answer is false. Correct statement, when pulses are washed with water before cooking, the water is separated from them by decantation. Fifth question, strainer is a kind of sieve which is used to separate a liquid from solid. The answer is false. Correct statement. Strainer is a kind of sieve which is used to separate solid particles of different sizes. Sixth question. Grain and husk can be separated by winnowing. The answer is true. Seventh question. Air is a pure substance. The answer is false. Correct statement. Air is a mixture. Eighth question. Butter from curd is separated by sedimentation. The answer is false. Correct statement. Butter from curd is separated by churning. Fourth kilometer. Complete the given analogy. First question. Solid rigidly. Gas compressible. Second question. Large interparticle space. Gas. Little interparticle space. Solid. Third question. Solid. Definite shape. Liquid. Shape of the vessel. Fourth question. Husk grains. Winnowing. Sawdust. Chalk piece. Hand picking. Fifth question. Murku from hot oil. Filtration. Coffee powder residue from decoction. Sedimentation. Sixth question. Iron sulfur mixer. Magnetic separation. Mustard seeds from urad dal. Rolling. Fifth kilometer. Match the following. A. First question. Breaks easily. Brittle. The answer is mud pot. Second question. Bends readily. Second question. The answer is plastic wire. Third question. Can be stretched easily. Answer is rubber band. Fourth question. Gets compressed easily. Answer is cotton wool. Fifth question. Gets heated readily. The answer is metal pan. B. First question. Separation of visible undesirable components. The answer is rice and stone and hand picking. Second question. Separation of heavier and lighter components. The answer is husk and paddy and winnowing. Third question. Separation of insoluble impurities. The answer is water mixed with chalk powder and filtration. Fourth question. Separation of magnetic components from non-magnetic components. The answer is iron impurities and magnetic separation. Fifth question. Separation of solids from liquid. The answer is sand and water and decondensation.
தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் ஹைடெக் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.